Look at that. Wow, that is way brighter than it is in real life. Look at that. We're sitting on a dock at the lake at night. It's rainy. And I am just underneath the dock because it's it's not as wet under here. So I know I said each video would be about relationships, but I'm sitting here and enjoying the peacefulness. I wanted to share it with you. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You'll see the water flowing. It's so freaking cool. Real dark on that side, so you can't really see much of anything. But it's so calming. If you listen real closely, you can hear drips from the rain and water dripping. Isn't that neat? A little bit of nature ASMR. Cool.